Today I'm going to be reviewing this boutique stand, so let's unbox it and I'll show you what's in it. So when you take it out of the bag, first thing that I have in here, of course, is the stand, the wig cap, some T-pins, and also hair clips. So after you've unfolded this, you're going to take this part, this is the wig holder, you want to put it through like this, right? And then we're gonna put this through this part over here. So to install the tray, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just loosen this up, take this out like that, and take the tray, pass the tray through this like that, and secure the tray right there. Once the tray has been secured, I can now put this back on it. So you have your holder, just secure this in there. Now we take the wig stand section and put that in there. So you have your stand perfectly lined up. I love the fact that this head stand is a heavy duty head stand. This is an heavier mannequin head, and I can put it on the head stand. And this wig head stand is expandable from 23 inches to 47 inches. I can also use it on my wig head, the cock head, and I do like the fact that you can store it really well. It folds really well and you can easily carry all over the place. So this is a very durable, very sturdy, durable, and I love the direction I can move all these wig heads very nicely, very portable. This is my favorite part of it. I can put all my things that I'm going to be using, all my tools. I can put my dryer in there. Very nice, just absolutely beautiful. I totally like it.